Good evening, friends. Welcome to your Learner 171's channel. Let us do expiry analysis for tomorrow, यानी कल के लिए, which is 28 जून 2023. सबसे पहले ऐसा सर्कुलर आया था कि कल छुट्टी होगी और परसों एक्सपायरी होगी, बट नाउ दिस इज चेंज्ड. अभी कल एक्सपायरी है और परसों छुट्टी है. दैट इज द रीजन द मंथली एक्सपायरी विल हैपन टुमारो नाउ. So before going any further, let us analyze what we discussed yesterday for today's analysis. यानी आज के लिए कल क्या हमने analysis discuss किया था, right? So if you remember, we discussed on days frame this scenario, right? If two red happens with one doji, there is a probability, right? I use this word probability, that there can be this kind of a bullish engulf kind of candle, bullish Marubozu candle. There can be a big green candle, right, after two reds if there is one kind of this pattern, and you may see that today again this pattern has repeated. But let us try to analyze what we discussed if we open gap up, right? For that I'll come back on 15 minutes frame. अगर 15 minutes frame पे आए, we said that if any gap up happens in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, right, for any gap up we will wait for 30 minutes, see the price action. 30 minutes रुकने के बाद we can see the price action. हमने कहा था अगर फ्राइडे के हाई के अबव प्राइस जाए, फ्रॉम देयर वी विल बी बुलिश, राइट, इफ इट इज एबल टू सर्वाइव अबव फ्राइडेज हाई, राइट, after 30 minutes. You may see the first 30 minutes went negative, right? After that negative, the low was breaken from here. Even I took a short opportunity, but I saw as soon as it came closer, what do we discuss every day, right? Whenever it is going down, it should not break the previous swing high. You may see again this hammer happening here, right? The hammer happened here, and we discussed that whenever hammer happens and if the price action is going up, breaking the previous swing high, it is better to exit. So when I saw this price action, it was better for me to exit, right? Taking a small SL. Now if you didn't exited here, entire gain is gone, right? Entire gain is gone. Another thing today that we didn't discuss in this setup, but again it would have been valid, was if this high is getting broken, right, Friday's high, you may see that Friday's high was broken with a very good bullish green candle of 15 minutes, and you see then the higher highs frame has been back in the action. यहाँ से जब से ये हैमर आया था, the higher highs frame came back into the action, और यहाँ से एक भी previous swing low नहीं break हुआ, and today's day closed above the Friday's high, right? It went all the way up higher, somewhere closer to 18,818, right? This is where we have closed today, not expired, we have closed today. 18,818 के पास आज की closing मिली है. From here, when it went up, right, with the proper recovery, same thing happened in Bank Nifty also. In Bank Nifty also, the 30 minutes price action, if you see, एक gap up open हुआ, 30 minutes price action, the second candle for the 30 minutes itself, it went a doji, and after that there was this hammer price action. We have already discussed yesterday also, if you see yesterday's video, कि अगर support के पास hammer kind of candle बने, ठीक है, और जब तक ये break नहीं हो जाए तब तक we cannot go short, it needs to be broken. अगर यहाँ से हैमर होते और प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई ब्रेक करते, इट इज बेटर टू एग्जिट. इफ यू डोंट एग्जिट, you may see what is the price action it has happened. We have discussed this again with this example also, right? Like what happens closer to support if hammer comes, right? And that is what happened today. So that was the overall scenario. Price going on bullish, and it completed this scenario that we discussed on days frame. What was this scenario? After two reds, because of this bullish harami pattern, we opened gap up and sustained again with a good big bullish closing, right? That is what happened in Nifty. That is what has happened in Bank Nifty also. If we come back on days frame, both have closed green. Now in Bank Nifty, ये जो 8 जून से चली आ रही थी डाउन ट्रेंड थी, ये जो डाउन ट्रेंड बैंक निफ्टी में हुआ है, जो प्राइस एक्शन नेगेटिव जा रहा था, दिस डाउन ट्रेंड हैज बीन कंप्लीटली ब्रोकन, और इसके ऊपर एक बुलिश कैंडल की क्लोजिंग मिली है, राइट? दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ग्रीन बुलिश बिग बुलिश कैंडल क्लोजिंग वी हैव गॉटन इन बैंक निफ्टी. सिमिलरली इन निफ्टी ऑल्सो, it is again back to the higher highs frame, showing that the correction is over, and from here Nifty is again ready to pump up. Now what further? If we come back on 15 minutes frame, let me just zoom out and let me save this. Similarly for Bank Nifty also, let me come back to 15 minutes frame. Okay, so let us first discuss Nifty now. Now what for Nifty? Tomorrow if we open flat, right? If we open flat और यहाँ से वापस ऊपर जाए, there is again a good opportunity to buy. Now remember that as many are aware that Nifty is again back into the buying zone, so many retailers would try to buy, right? Once it opens flat, that is the reason it is always better if there is a direction, and if it is about to break all-time high also, This time if it is about to break all time high and if it is also about to break 19,000, then even lesser lot size and lesser quantities would also help, right? अगर all time high break ही होना है तो यहाँ से जितने छोटे quantities हो वो भी अच्छे ज्यादा gain देंगे. That is the reason when we are aware that even in the lesser wicks the price can get volatile. That is the reason flat खुलने के बाद if it is pumping up, right? When it is pumping up, see where are the resistances. You may see first resistance is closer to 18862. एक resistance यही है. Next resistance is closer to 18884, right? 18886. The previous ATH high, which was closer to 18887. So I'll just take a line here closer to this stuff. Okay, I'll just make it red for resistance. Okay. So knowing that if यहाँ से आगे रेजिस्टेंस ही है एंड वी आर स्टैंडिंग एट 18819, फ्लैट खुलने के बाद ऊपर जाता है, आई कीप लॉट साइज लेसर. अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि यहाँ से ऊपर जाते हुए इफ देयर इज एनी नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन, जैसे शुरू में भी हुआ था, जितने बार यहाँ से हुआ है, इफ देयर इज अनदर नेगेटिव एक्शन व्हिच इज ट्राइंग टू टेक प्राइस डाउन, राइट, it is better and if it is trying to come to the previous again swing high, it is better to book out, and again if it breaks this high, you can take another trade, right? So flat opening going up, I'm interested in long as long as the negative price action is not breaking the previous swing low. Just in today's price action, in this price action, whenever it went up, the previous swing low was not broken, right? Previous swing low is not getting broken. So flat going up, we are interested in long opportunity as long as it keeps on going up, right? And again, we will not trade for expiry, right? Expiry के लिए नहीं, क्योंकि again there will be a big decay, huge decay. So I'll trade for next week's expiry, not this expiry. So flat खुल के ऊपर जाने पे, flat खुल के now if it goes down, now again all the supports are active, right? The way we keep on discussing on each and every trading videos, right? So now when the price action is positive, flat खुल के नीचे जाते वक्त doesn't matter how much down it goes, I am not interested to take the put, right? Flat खुल के नीचे जाता है, again if it is breaking the previous swing high, फ्लैट खुलता है, इट रिट्रेसेस डाउन, नीचे रिट्रेस करके इफ इट इज एबल टू ब्रेक प्रीवियस स्विंग हाई, अगेन आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन कॉल. ऐसे नहीं कि नीचे जा रहा है, यू आर कंसीडरिंग इट डिप एंड बाइंग द अपॉर्चुनिटी. फ्लैट खुल के नीचे जाता है, if it comes closer to support और वहां से भी if price action turns positive, showing a bullish hammer, showing price again going for higher high function, then again I am interested to buy the call, right? So flat if it is going up, we are interested to buy. Flat if it is going down, only if it retraces up we will buy. If it keeps on going down, we are leaving the trade, right? We discussed both the scenarios in flat. What if we open gap down? Any gap down opening from 18818, if it is closer to 18750 or if it is closer to 18740, anywhere in this range, right? Anywhere in this range, any gap down opening, again if it makes a bullish hammer, this kind of hammer, whenever it is down, right? This kind of price action, if it makes, let me just zoom here. If it makes this kind of price action, if it makes this kind of price action, if it makes this kind of price action on the 5 minutes frame, even the 5 minutes candle becomes positive with the gap down opening होता है, 5 minutes candle becomes positive, shows the bullish price action closer to support. I'll mark the low of the candle or whichever the low swing. Let's say if it opens here gap down, for example, if it opens closer to 18750, right, 18750.56, I'll consider this swing low, right, closer to 18727, this swing low as an SL. From here I would again plan a long for the upward trending channel opportunity till the previous closing, and from here again I'll see what is the price action. If it is supporting higher high, I'll stay in the trade. If there is a reversal signal, I'll exit, right? I'll exit then. So that is the thing. If gap down with a positive opening, अगर gap down negative हो जाता है and if it is going down and down, we are leaving the trade, we are leaving the opportunity. We will not trade tomorrow even if it goes down for 200 or 300 points negative, right? Because we have to stick with scenarios. The way we stuck with the scenario, यहाँ पे whenever it will go above, and then we will get into buying scenario, right? 1850 के ऊपर, that is the way we discuss. Similarly, gap down में again if it is gap down, if it is going for the positive price action, we will buy. Negative price action we are avoiding. We discuss flat, we discuss gap down. What about gap up? Any gap up from here now which is closer to 18880 or which is above 18880, right? Any gap up now which is above 18880 or closer to 1880, इसके ऊपर कहीं पे भी gap up हो जाए, again the thing is I'll wait for 30 minutes, see what is the price action. Now again the reason for waiting 30 minutes is like today, if you would have seen, अगर आज if you would have observed price action, gap up खुलते ही if anyone bought here, right, if anyone bought at this top की price ऊपर ही जा रहा था and if anyone would have bought closer to 18760, what he would have seen कि यहाँ से price इतना नीचे चला गया somewhere closer to 717, somewhere closer to what is this low 714. तो from this high 18750 से 714 it is as good as 40 points का low, right? So again it is as good as giving SL, right? If one would have not stayed in this trade, and you never know if it is going down, it would have gone down. That is the reason with the gap up, what is that we are not sure that with gap up की यहाँ से वापस sellers whether they try to unwind or again they try to push it down and again take it up, right? That is the reason with gap up we will wait for 30 minutes, see the price action. Only if high is broken we will go for longs, if low is broken we will wait for the opportunity. क्योंकि low break होने के बाद again if it is coming closer, आज ही के जैसे low break होने के बाद if it is coming closer to the previous price action and वहां से अगर support बना के ऊपर जाए, support बना के ऊपर जाए यानी क्या, यहाँ पे low was broken, support बना के ऊपर गया and again broke the swing high, वैसे swing high तोड़ता है again we will go for long, right? That is the scenario for gap up. We discussed all the three scenarios for Nifty. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also almost similar scenario. Now Bank Nifty, when it has ran up almost with such a high, right, it has closed somewhere around 44,164 और आज ही के आज somewhere closer to 500 points का price action has happened today itself, right? After a very long time Bank Nifty has given 500 points price action. So यहाँ से again if it is opening flat, so I know where is the resistance now, the upcoming resistance, one which is closer to, if I come back to on days frame, I'll just refresh this chart. Okay, now first resistance which is closer to 44,212, the next if you see is 44,220 and then again this point 44,459 closer to 44,500. Now if I have closed at 44,120, अगर आज की क्लोजिंग 44,120 you may see 44,164 here, but we are talking about last 30 minutes average, right? So if 44,121 is the closing today, और यहाँ से the resistance, the upcoming days candle का high resistance is closer to what? Is closer to this 44,220, 225 का range. You may see this red candles also. See this red candles also. This can also act as resistance. इसीलिए flat खुलने के बाद if it is going up, I'll certainly buy a call. I'll certainly buy a call as long as if it is approaching 44,220 और वहां से अगर price action negative हो जाए, I'll book it up again. If it is able to sustain higher, I'll again buy it, right? I'll again buy the ATM strike for the further price action and further targets of 44,500 also. Only if it is flat and sustained with a positive price action. What if flat खुलने के बाद if it goes negative? Flat खुलने के बाद if it goes negative and again is able to break the higher highs का pump, right? Flat खुलने के बाद it retraces down, जैसे आज retrace down हुआ, यहाँ पे you can see it retraced down and again broke the previous swing high. तो फ्लैट खुलने के बाद let it retrace down, नीचे आने दो प्राइस एक्शन को, नीचे आने के बाद अगर वापस स्विंग हाई तोड़ता है then we are interested in call. फ्लैट खुलने के बाद if price action is going down, let it go 500 points down, कल ही के कल even if it is closing negative we will avoid tomorrow. See again fresh trade from Friday, right? Friday के लिए we will again discuss then. That is the reason. Flat going negative, avoid. Flat if it is sustained with positive price action, we will buy for the first target of 44,220. वहां से भी ऊपर जा रहा है तो 44,250. Only if it is sustained, then for 44,500. If there is any negative price action closer to the resistance of 44,220, whenever I say negative price action, look at this. Since 8th of June. Whenever I say a negative price action, you may see whenever it is closer to resistance, like this was the resistance point, right? 44,500 was the resistance point. What is the price action? This is the price action which is breaking the previous higher highs का swing. अगर यहाँ से higher highs हो रहा भी है, it is breaking the swing. So that is better you exit, right? So that is what we discussed for flat, both the upward scenario and downward scenario. What if we open gap up? Now any gap up from 44,160 which is closer to 44,300, 44,350 or 44,250 का range, anywhere in the 44,300 range, any gap up, if it makes, again just like Nifty, we will wait for 30 minutes, see whether high is broken or low. If high is getting broken, we are again interested to initiate a long. If low is getting broken, we will see कि पहले स्विंग के पास क्या एक्शन हो रहा है, यहां से वापस स्विंग हाई इफ इट इज ब्रेकिंग, ओनली देन वी विल इनिशिएट लॉन्ग, राइट? वी डिस्कस्ड बोथ द सिनेरियोस फॉर गैप अप. व्हाट अबाउट गैप डाउन? अगेन सिमिलर टू निफ्टी, any gap down which is closer to 44,000. Now 44,000 is a very strong support, right? We are at 44,164. Any gap down which is closer to 44,000, anywhere closer to 44,000 or even breaks 44,000, and if it is making positive price action just like today, like the way it made the word support, ये support जो था 43,690 का, look at the price action, even if it is red, this is hammer, again this become a bullish green candle which engulfed previous two hammers, यहाँ से वापस hammer, यहाँ से वापस hammer, and look at this price action, again when it tried to pull it down, again a hammer made, and this hammer never broke the previous swing low, right? उसी हिसाब से if any gap down, if it comes closer to 44,000, if you see this kind of price action, अभी ऐसा price action बना के ऐसे नहीं कि new candles are breaking the swing low. If it is breaking the swing low, do not go for long. Leave the trade, right? If it is going for downwards price action, we are living in gap down. Only if it is breaking swing high, which swing high is maintained. यहाँ से वापस नीचे retrace होते वक्त, it is not breaking the swing high, swing low, right? Then we are staying in the long, right? With the gap down closer to 44,000. Anywhere closer to 44,000, अगर gap down हो भी जाता है. With the positive price action, we will again stay in the long for the target of previous closing, और यहाँ से भी अगर ऊपर जाता है, we will stay in it. In this way, we covered both gap up, gap down, and flat scenario for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty too, right? On that note, I'm closing today's video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.